Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here and today we are gonna work on a small project. It will be a toggle between light and dark mode. We are gonna make this from scratch and we are gonna use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are ready, let's get started. Here we have index.html file with basic data. In the head we have links to Google Fonts and Fonts Awesome, which we are gonna use in this project. Also we are connecting to Styles CSS, and in the body we are connecting to script.js file. Here is the title, which is displayed right here. Let's start with the container for the project, and it's gonna be section. And I will give it a class name, the main container. And inside this container we are gonna place this circle. So I already copied that. Next, we need another container for the card. So we are gonna give it a class name, just card. And inside here, we are gonna use another icon. And this is gonna be the astronaut icon. We also need the company name, which is gonna be h1 element with the class name, card name, and its company logo. We also need an input and the paragraph text. Class name, card, search input, and type will be search. And also the paragraph with class name, card, text. And I will copy this text. And we want this company logo to be a different color, so we place it in a span. Like that. Ctrl C, and let's see what we got so far. We need to style it. I already have the basic styling, which gives padding, margin and box sizing, and also font family to each element of the DOM. And we are gonna style this container, which is main container. The class name. And I want to give it a background color. Which is kind of light blue color. Also the width, which will be 100 viewport width, and height also 100 viewport height. So it's gonna be on the whole website. I want this element to be displayed on the right. So I'm gonna give it a styling. I'm taking this class name, it will be a position absolute, 20 pixels from the top and 20 pixels from the right. And I'm gonna make it bigger. So the font size for this element, I will give 30 pixels. And let's see. Now I want the cart container to be displayed on the center of the website. So let's see what we can do. I will use a flex box, so display flex direction, column, which will make it display from the top to the bottom, and align items center. And I will give it a gap between the columns, between the rows actually, 20 pixels. And also I will give it a padding top, (150 pixels). And let's see. Now, of course, we want this guy to be bigger. So take this class name, I'm gonna give this font size of 200 pixels. And let's see. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm gonna work on this input. The width will be 400 pixels. The height I will give 30 pixels. Margin top (40 pixels). Border will be none, and border radius will be 4 pixels, and box shadow (0.4 pixels, 8 pixels, 0 RGBA. Okay, and let's see the result. Now it looks pretty cool. Now let's style this paragraph. Let's give it a smaller font size. I will give it 12 pixels. It looks much better, but let's style also this span, which we have right here. It's inside of this card text. Let's make it bold. And let's give it some color. Perfect. We have just finished the light mode. It looks exactly the same. Now we are gonna work on the dark mode. So we are gonna change the background, the astronaut element, this icon, the company logo name, input, and also this text. So we are gonna give every element another class. So we are gonna toggle between this class and the dark mode class. And we are gonna start with the background color and color for all icons. So I'm gonna copy this. I will name it the same but with the dark, and I'm gonna change the background and color. And I am also gonna work on this input element to make it darker. I mean this, to make it look like this. I am also gonna give this icon a pointer on hover. And let's give this icon a function. I'm gonna call this function on click, and I'm gonna name it mode toggle. Copy that and make a script. This is our function, but before this we need actually those elements, which is the container and the input. I'm making a const variable, and this will be a background. Query selector, and here the name of the class. Another variable input. And we are going to toggle between those classes and those classes with the dark, which we made too. To make this, we need, of course, those variables, class list, that toggle, and the new class name, which I'm gonna copy and the same for the input. And let's see how it works. Perfect. Okay, so we just finished our project. It works. It looks just fine. In the description of this video, you will find the source code for this project and links to my social media. So if you are interested, let's check them out. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Let me know what do you wanna see next and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.